Hey everybody, welcome to Everyday Waffles Season 2. That's right, Season 2, where I make one effing waffle that fuels me all day. So, this week's Power Waffle, that's right, this week's Power Waffle. So as I wash my hands, let me tell you what's going on. Alright, so basically I make dinner with you guys while we're hanging out. Sometimes there's somebody sitting in the back while I'm making dinner. Sometimes somebody will be over here chilling out with us. So this is me making dinner every night. But on season 2, I found out during like the first, like, I don't know, 35 episodes I did with this, that I really found a re-love of food, which is great because not having an esophagus and re-liking food is really good and awesome. So let's change things up a little bit. So I'm gonna go like a full year with everything I need in my waffles, like in my waffle iron. And literally, I don't like to eat the same thing over and over, but I do love waffles. So we're just going to be doing that. It's going to be awesome. So this week's Power Waffle, so I'm going to start with one base, 7 sauces, so that we keep things simple for me, keep things simple for you, and we get to have a lot of fun. So this week's Power Waffle is going to be some zucchini, which is going to give us a little bit extra nutrients, and then all of our grains. Awesome part is we don't really have to deal with jack crap worth of dishes. Sorry for my language. I'm going to try and work on that for season 2. Wait. Really? That was just like a month ago. Yeah, nothing's changing. Except eggs. We are no longer ever going to be using anything but thank you, Bob. I like Bob. Bob is good. And it makes eggs fun. So, yeah, we're going to have some cheat days, which will be fun. Definitely some more state fair waffles going on. And since I'm pescatarian, we're going to be doing a lot more salmon because that shit was so great. All right, so 1 to 2 on my egg replacer. So that's going to be 1 of the Bob, 2 of cold water, actually water. Around this show, we don't really kind of like, it's waffles. All right, so to do your waffles, you gotta get our eggs going first. So this is gonna be, I found chopsticks the best. I give you my little life hacks all the time. Nothing's changed, except I love food now. That's kind of a good fucking thing. Like, who doesn't get? And portion control, amazing. Like literally, this is gonna be so easy. Just pack up my little lunchbox and go like I've been doing. Life is good. And you're gonna see me around town eating pieces of waffles on my zebra. I'm gonna take it traveling. Why not? Okay, so let's get going. So I got my eggs going. So egg. So I used 1 tablespoon to 2 of our egg replacer. All right, so this week's Power Waffle I'm gonna be making with cornmeal and flour. So I'm gonna use 3/4 cup of flour and a 1/4 cup of cornmeal. I think that's what I did. Yeah, 3/4. So what I do basically, guys, if you don't know this, I sit, chill out in the morning with my coffee, kind of look stuff up, think about these wonderful things. Makes me very, very happy. What makes you happy, right? And getting to share with you guys is pretty fucking awesome. Oh, yeah, this has been really cool. Also, I'm keeping up with my yoga ball before and after the show. Like I said, one day I will be able to say, oh, I've been working out before every episode like I'm supposed to. Please do not tell my physical therapist. Actually, we're really good on that. She doesn't know about the show yet. Fuck, I just told her myself. I'm gonna tell her about the show. Oh well. I tell myself a lot. Because I believe in living your truth. Why not live your truth? I mean, geez. Who wants to live anywhere else? Not me. I'm good. All right. So, also, you gotta get in my. I found out this stuff's kind of really overpowering, so we're just using a 1/2 scoop. The rest I'm just putting in with my water. 1/2 scoop in my plant-based protein powder, vanilla, 21 grams of protein. Brought to you by, I just buy the cheapest one. Okay, so we got our cornmeal, we got our flour in. And once again, thank you, Dutch, for clearing out your cabinet space of something you do not use to cook with. Fucking hilarious. We love my bestie. And I love putting shit away as I go. So now we're going to be adding in some nutrients. So here we go. So we got 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. This is going to give us kind of like more depth to our flavor. It's pretty awesome. And then this flaxseed. All right. Omega-3s. Like I said, I'm trying to research. You know, like basically you get out of the hospital, they tell you all sorts of shit. They give you all sorts of handouts. You fall absolutely in love with your nutritionist. Like in love with your nutritionist. And then, yeah. Too bad she's married and I'm gay. Oh well. All right. So anyway. Little wave shout out to her. Okay, now I need my. So I just put in 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast, and now I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of my baking powder to give this some nice rise. I make very bad jokes. That's never going to change. And I jump around a lot and I get really, really happy because it's dinner time. I am done with the day. Okay, so we got our flour for our structure, cornmeal for our little texture and sweetness. Now we're going to put in our zucchini a second. Then we got our egg replacer, our nutritional yeast for our depth, our baking powder for a lift. Now we're going to put in the salt. Now we're going to put in 3/4 cup almond milk, a tablespoon of olive oil, and we're going to put in a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Just give us a little fluffiness in this one. So I'm thinking that's pretty good. So technically speaking, and we'll do grandma's waffle again sometime. Yes, you should be putting this in 2 bowls, everything else. But you know what? It tastes just as good, just as lovely, and less dishes doing it this way, which Brian likes. Because literally, we're making dinner together. And by the time this video is over, dinner will be done. And if I wasn't doing actually on a video, then yeah, every bit of dishes, everything will be done. Just a lot of fun having you guys for dinner. And I get to teach you all kung fu shit if you like that. Well, obviously, if you're hanging around, then that means I'm doing something right. It's kind of fun. 1. I put 2 in here or 1 on this one. Yeah, I just did 1. Let's go some more. Okay. And so on the description, I'm going to go ahead, and since I got to do it, let's just do it. So I'm going to put down the nutrition values onto the description. So I'll give the recipe, nutrition values, and then I think I'm going to see, I don't know, we'll figure it out as we go this year. Let's go. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to load you up with all 7 in one in the first description so you can have all the different options that we're going to be using for our dippers, for our waffles, which is pretty awesome. Okay, so I'm going to stir this up a little bit. So first I'm going to stir. Then I'm going to add my zucchini. And you know what? I should have gone with my gut. I think I might need a full cup. I do this show because it's my dinner. Just 1 whap. I mean, why would I want to do dinner twice? Fuck that. No. This is me, you, us, having fun dinner. And yes, I am adding to this. With waffles, remember, a little bit of liquid goes a long ways. The last thing I want to be doing is like waffle flour, waffle flour. Okay. I mean, I guess you could, but it's boring. No, thank you. Okay. So now I'm going to put in my egg replacer, and then I'll show you what we got. And then we'll get started on tonight's second edition, which is what's going on top of this bad boy. I'm super excited because tonight we're going to be doing, so I'm calling it the lemon dill yogurt sauce because it's bright and fresh, like me. Like a beach on a summer's day. Wait, that's summer's eve. I make very bad jokes. Okay, So here is our waffle. Isn't that beautiful? Like, this is like so much nutrition is packed into this. I mean, it's amazing. Well, enough for me to live and really enjoy the hell out of this. And since all my construction projects are done, I am now ventilating. I put in a new ceiling. And it's beautiful. But like I said, this is about waffles. This is not about my bad juicing recipes, which I do juice. And it's not about my woe was me of my remodel. That was kind of fun. So I'm gonna be using one whole base for my, because this is all my nutrients. So what's left is actually gonna be for me, little Scooby snacks. And also the zucchini that I put in, the rest of that zucchini I'm gonna be chomping on during the day. Okay, get everything back in here so I can be done. This is so much fun. That's what I mean. Who wouldn't want like a waffle recipe thing where you just get to like, this is it, yoo-hoo. Yeah, follow along with me for a year if you want to eat with me and see what happens. You might find yourself really loving the hell out of it. So this is my juice. I made some extra. So damn good. So yeah, in my lunch pail, got my juice. I got my protein shake. Blah, 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 blah. Protein shake. Then I'll put my waffle in, which would be fucking awesome. I put a third of a slice, one each one of these. Microwave them for about 25 seconds, depending upon your microwave. I'll teach you guys how to pack your lunch pail again sometime soon, so you know how to handle a crime scene called your work, microwave, and everything in between. Okay, so for our sauce, I'm gonna put in a tablespoon of freshly chopped dill into my lovely Kimberly Freedom KitchenAid mixer, because I love her. Yeah, there's pretty much always going to be two people in the kitchen with me, Kimberly Freedom and Kim G. That's a guaranteed. Well, me too. I'll be here. Kind of fun. Okay, so this is Sharps, by the way, off to the side. All right, so I'm going to put in the juice of a lemon. And 2 points. So few dishes. Now I'm going to put in, so I got juice of a lemon, a tablespoon of fresh dill. I'm just going to put in like a half a teaspoon of garlic into that. And salt, pepper, and a half a cup of my yogurt. And I am using an awesome cashew yogurt. And I would love to just like lick this sucker each time, but I don't know. Somebody might just say, dude, Brian, you can't lick that on show. I don't know why. Lick it off camera though? Wait. Nothing's happening here. Oh shit. Does nose ring tell a lie? Okay. Now, waffle's still going. Sauce right here. Holy shit. I'll step away because it's kind of loud. Dude, what dance? I mean, how awesome is this? And Sharpie thingy off to the side. I'm gonna rinse. Look at that sauce. Amazing. Let me give it a little taste. Like I said, this is just half cup coconut yogurt, some dill, tablespoon dill, lemon juice, about a tablespoon and a half half teaspoon garlic, salt, pepper. Very bright, very happy. In the morning when I eat this during my moneymaker, yep, very, very happy. Oh, and there's not that many dishes. And like always, these episodes are brought to you by Homo, Sweet Homo, and this is falling off my shoulder. Kind of fun like that. Okay, green light. All right, guys, we're green lit to go. So I'm really hoping that on my cheat days, we might have a couple more near explosions. That was kind of fun. We'll see. Nice thing about these is they are nice and boom. You can hear that loveliness heavy. All right, so I'm gonna get my next one going. This is gonna be my Scooby snack in the day. So now I'm gonna have the rest of that cucumber, the rest of that zucchini, this little bit of waffle. Yay. Immediately rinse this out or you're gonna get fucking glue. Do not do that. Trust me. At least rinse this out. Don't do anything else. Just rinse it out. Galoo. Nobody wants galoo. Especially before the big reveal of the tasty waffle. That way you just get to not even think about it. Main portion of my dishes right there are done. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna butter this one up. I'm excited. Better watch what I'm doing. I cannot believe I'm already calling something season 2. This is gonna be a fun year, guys. This really is. And here, this is our base of our Power Waffle for the week, and we're gonna be keeping it fun all week. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, hell yeah. Very bright. The lemon's really coming out. Everything absorbs well. Everything blends well. It's a lovely ass taste. This is amazing. All right, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my dinner, and then I'm gonna pack up the rest of my waffles and see you later.